Are you suffering from hay fever, really bad sneezing, itchy eyes and nose, and want to treat it naturally? Then keep watching. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how I cured my hay fever at home naturally, as none of the medication worked for me. But before that, please subscribe, like and share this video with your friends and family so they can get some relief too. What is hay fever? It's an allergic reaction to pollen released from grass, trees, plants, flowers, etc. Pollen particles contain a protein that causes inflammation, irritation and swelling of the nasal passage, but can also affect eyes, throat and skin. I went through so many medication past few years that actually gave up on them. I had Piriton, Cetirizine, Telfast, nose sprays, etc. etc. So after doing a lot of research and a lot of trial and error, I found these 5 things that actually helped me tremendously. But number 1 and 2 are my best ones, so please watch till end. So the number 5 is, when you go out, make sure you apply some Vaseline inside your nose on the inner lining of your nasal passage. I know it sounds gross, but it works. You can always wash your hands after. What it will do is that it will prevent more pollen to get into your inner lining of nasal passage that is already being irritated. Make sure you apply generously. Then comes number 4. One of the simplest home remedies for pollen allergies is to limiting your exposure to pollen. Try these. Stop line drying your clothes and bedding, which may lead to pollen accumulating on the fabric. Wash pollen out of your hair and off your skin after being outside. Eyes may be rinsed with water, cool water only. You can also try air filter. Portable air filters can clear out your most used living areas. While the whole house filters work throughout your home, make sure you clean and change filters regularly. Warm compresses are another way of getting a bit of relief from the blocked nose and congestion. The compress helps in opening of the nasal passage and ease the clogged nose. Soak a towel in warm water and squeeze the excess water out of the towel, then place the towel over your nose and your forehead. Keep repeating this in regular intervals. The warmth of the towel will provide great comfort and ease out the inflammation. Third step is including immune boosting ingredients in your diet. Some of them are honey, green tea, ginger, garlic, etc. Raw honey works as an immune booster and allows building up tolerance. About 2 to 3 spoonfuls of honey in your daily diet must be taken several months before the onset of the allergy season. What it will do is it will build your immune system, prevent you from getting the symptoms in the first place. Raw honey and ginger tea can help in clearing the chest congestion and help in loosening the phlegm, as well as it will strengthen your immune system, and it will also work as an antihistamine. Now it's turn for green tea. Besides being one of the finest remedies for supporting the immune system, it also inhibits the production of the chemical called histamine, which is responsible for hay fever. Green tea will also keep you hydrated and is very effective for weight loss too. Number 2 is applying oil during night. The medication and the nasal sprays and irritation can dry out the inner lining of nasal passage, and dryness can make things even worse because dry, broken skin are more prone to attract the pollen. Therefore, applying 1 drop of either mustard oil or coconut oil in each nostril will give you a very good night's sleep. It will help your skin to heal and ease clogged nose. If you want to know more detail about how to use this oil and which one is better, then check out my video that's already up on my channel. I will leave the link in the description box below. Now it's time for my favorite remedy, which is turmeric. It is the most effective remedy that I've tried for hay fever. My hay fever gone from severe to mild and now it's fully cured. For 1 month, I drank this turmeric remedy before stepping out of the house as well as before sleeping. This remedy actually helps with your inflammation and irritation of your nose. All you have to do is drink it every morning and evening until the hay fever calms down. And if you want your hay fever symptoms to not come back next year, then start drinking this remedy before the pollen season starts. Trust me, if you follow these steps couple of months before the pollen season starts, then you are working towards preventing the symptoms from happening in the first place. The active ingredient in curcumin that is present in turmeric makes it anti-inflammatory, antiseptic, and an antioxidant, which helps soothe the symptoms like sneezing, runny nose, and irritation. Make sure you use organic turmeric so that the active compound present in turmeric is intact. Remember not to overuse this spice. Only 1/4 to half a teaspoon is enough for the day. So guys, that's all for today. I hope this video will give you some relief and you will benefit from it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching.